What is up, guys? Gonna show you how to clean the Haze Square and hopefully under 5 minutes. This is my little quick clean technique. So I already got the little lip pulled up here, so I'm just gonna start working my way, pulling this guy off. I like to be a little careful because it's like crinked along the corners. I just want to make sure it doesn't tear or anything. You can buy extras from their site, but I've only done this a couple times. I'm still careful with it. So you get all the pieces. What I like to do, just run some water. I like to take one piece at a time. Get some ISO. Just drop the ISO on it. Rub it in nice and good. Rinse it off. Look at that. One piece is already pretty much perfectly clean. Just want to make sure I get all the ISO off. And yeah, there's one. Toss it to the side on a paper towel. Get one of these guys. You can just drop it right inside. And then nice heavy abrasive rubbing. Boom. You still get a little bit of like resin built up in that centerpiece, but I don't think it affects the airflow in the slightest. I think you can also just do like two at once, so I'll just drop some in. Get some on this other one, and then nice easy rubbing. Cleaning those off. Move on to the last two pairs. Grab some ISO on. Give it a quick rub down. See, super easy. We've already done 3 out of the 4 pairs. Now we're on the very last one. I imagine if your unit is super dirty, you may need a little bit more of a full clean, but just a drop of ISO and some abrasive rubbing and the stuff comes right out real quick. Alright, so those are all clean. I just drop them over to this paper towel, give them all a quick rundown, dry off, however you want to call it. My hands are all wet though, so give me a second. Alright, let's clean the rest of these guys off. Or dry them off, I should say. Super easy, super quick. It's definitely an inconvenience, especially if you have to do it every couple of days. It's not necessarily something anybody wants to do, but it's what's needed to keep your vape clean and performing great. So it's definitely something that should be done. Alright, so now to load these guys back up, you find the one that's got the little ridges in it, put the screen down first, all the way around. It's going to be kind of awkward with my limited space right here, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, God, these things are hard to pick up. Alright, so we got all 4 down. Put them into place, make sure they're all nice and good. Drop this guy on, drop this guy on, drop this guy on. So got them all there. Now I forget how this is done. What is it? You do something, I always forget. You put that right there, the little tray, put these guys right on top. Then grab this guy. Let me dry him off real quick. Just place him right on. Press down. I like to press on all the corners, all the edges, really make sure that guy's on there nice and tight. And then pull it off. Look at that. Perfectly clean unit. You can just press down on the silicone all the way around. Force it really nice into place. Get all the corners, all the edges, and boom. Look at that. How to clean your square in about 5 minutes. And then you got the pods. Easiest thing to do here is I just run some hot water through it. Do a little finger swipe in there. And then dry it off. Gets nice and clean. Super easy. I might as well just do this with all of them since I'm here. We'll really make sure this is a nice clean